Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I received a new Upcrate box and I'm gonna open it in the video here, but blim blim. I'm recording this video after painting and doing all this stuff. It was so fun. So I'm gonna show you what's inside the box and I will explain you what are the things inside the box one by one. But before to start, I'm gonna read you something funny I found inside this book that was inside the box, and I will read you the request, the join request, because I'm going to join their battle because they are having some monthly battles every month. But anyways, at the beginning of this book there's written, "Hey to all. We always try to make everything that happens around Upcrate as transparent as possible. At the moment, it is difficult for us to put the boxes together for you. This has a lot to do with the global situation, inflation, and supply storage. Actually, based on your feedback, we say that we would no longer put mixed colors in the box." La la la. This month, however, we had to change our plans and the contents. We did everything we could to still provide you with a great coordinated box and hope you get the perfect shade for your artwork. We want to see landscapes, and I'm gonna give you a landscape, man. Don't worry about it. Let's do it. Let's start with the review of this box, and I'm gonna introduce you all the art supplies I'm finding inside. Okay, let's start. Upcrate deliver a monthly mystery box of art supplies all across the world. Each crate has different materials inside. A subscription costs €22 per month or €64 for 3 months, and it can be cancelled anytime. The materials included are always worth in the range of $27 or $40, yeah, something between this price, so a subscription is a kind of bargain. You can get my 15% coupon discount by using my code, which is mdrawing15. The first thing I'm finding inside the box is this plastic palette, and the size of this plastic palette is 20 for 11 centimeters, and there are 10 cups totally. Then they are sending me, as usual, a print of the artworks of the co-captain of this month, which is Alinium Art, and I will drop her Instagram in my description in case you wanna take a look. Then I received this 3 sheet of paper. This is a watercolor paper, and I think that the brand is Artspace. The Artspace watercolor paper is very beautiful, and this one is of 300 GSM. So since I received the key for the artistic haven, let's see what's inside. This orange paper, and yeah, I'm so curious, guys. Let's see. Oh wow, as I can see and you can see, there is a brush and some gouache colors, and then there is a tape. Yeah, this tape is very useful. So anyways, let's start from the brush. Okay, so the brand of this brush is Lucas, and this brush is synthetic, and it's ideal to paint in acrylic, and of course it's good for thin bodied paints. Now let's talk about this gouache. The brand is Lefranc, and Lefranc colors are unique, extra fine and smooth with a maximum color intensity, and the full set is including 78 colors of extra fine pigments and gamma arabic of the highest quality as a binder. But inside this box you will just find 2 colors and 1 white color. So I received this red, a rouge color, and then a sienna color and a white. The brand of this white gouache is Talents. Talents Gouache Extra Fine is a top quality gouache with a choice of 60 colors, and these products can also be used for educational purpose. Gouache is an opaque paint with a high pigment load that completely obscures the ground. The opacity of the paint is obtained by using opaque fillings. And then, last but not last, I received this beautiful sky blue color, and the brand is Liquitex. I'm loving this color. That's a bomb! What's this kawaii washi tape? The name is so cute! Oh my gosh, wow, I'm loving it. This tape is made of a rice paper with transparent frosted surface suited to lettering and drawing. They have a self-adhesive film allowing removal and repositioning, which provides a great creative opportunity. They adhere to paper, walls, fabrics and smooth surfaces such as metal, glass, etc. etc. without any special preparation. For this reason, washi tape provides endless opportunities for all kinds of crafts activity. As it free, blah blah blah. So okay, I'm going to stick this tape all around the sheet of paper I received, and I'm going, man, listen to my meow, I'm going to paint 3 landscapes for you, not just 1 but 3. I will paint something simple, so all the people who will see this video, even the beginners of course, they will be able to paint with me and to take my painting as an idea, as an inspiration. I don't know, let's just dream and suppose that somebody will paint with me while I paint. Okay, let's start with these 3 landscapes, and I will leave you with some beautiful music. You will find the music of the video in my description also, and of course you will find everything about Upcrate there as well. Okay, let's go. If you would like to watch many videos of mine, just subscribe and hit the bell to receive the notification of my channel.
giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
as days passes by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, things don't go to plan, I kinda lose my mind. I hope it's real, this life comes around. Just keep your faith and search for the fountain. Time is of the essence, the blood running through our core. It's best to not feel sorry when it's over. I will be the greatest that you ever seen before, and I'll stay eternal.
Lights out, lying in your arms, and these feelings start to change. One look into your eyes, and I'm floating far away. I've never been here before. I don't know the score, but I never wanted you more than I
much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, to share and subscribe, and to hit the bell to support me and my channel. Have a nice day and stay creative. Ciao!
And we could be crashing